The National Bureau of Investigation has started summoning personalities linked to the 2019 SEA Games and the alleged anomalies that hounded it. A subpoena could be issued for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, who was on top of the multi-million peso event. Mobile journalist Amy Atienza with the report.
Just 3 days ago, NBI Director Melvin Matibag said Senator Alan Peter Cayetano will not be summoned in the probe of alleged 2019 SEA Games anomalies. By Monday, a slightly different tune, Cayetano will be encouraged to come forward if his co-officials tag him. Cayetano was chair of the Philippine SEA Games Organizing Committee, or FISCOC, the non-government organization formed under the Duterte administration for the staging of the SEA Games. From documents gathered, Cayetano's name does not appear in FISGOC's board of directors. It was Philippine Volleyball President Ramon Tatsuzara who's chairman of the group. The initial NBI subpoenas are for Suzara, Chief Financial Officer Dexter Estacio, and Corporate Secretary John Lester Buenconsejo.
Kahit sinong abogadong tanungin natin na bago ka maging chairman, kailangan miyembro ka ng board. Nangyari pala dyan, he was appointed as an interim chairman by the PLC. Pero ang instruction sa kanya is to immediately incorporate the PISGO. So na-incorporate yan, gumawa, pero he's not part of the directors.
The NBI has already formed a task force that will look into the alleged lack of liquidation reports on the committee's expenses, which totaled to around 10 billion pesos, as well as alleged anomalies in the bidding process. Also to be investigated is the 50 million peso cauldron, which critics said just cost too much for goodwill. Goodwill that Cayetano does not have for Matibag, whom he called a minion in one Facebook Live.
Shout out sa iyo ngayong Sunday na to, Melvin the Minion. Ang nangyayari po ngayon ay may mga mastermind talaga at may mga minions.
While Matibag is letting Cayetano's comments slide, but the palace has a sharper comeback.
Well, hindi na natin siguro mapatulan yan. Pagka wala kasing mabuting i-argumento dun sa mga inahayag sa'yo na dapat mo sagutin, wala kang masagot, you'll go to name calling.
Sa aking pagkakaalam, ang salitang minions ay wala naman sa Biblia. So, wala pong ginagawa ngayon ang senador, si Senador Alan Cayetano, kung hindi magturo at manira ng iba. Ang pag-iimbestiga po na gagawin ng NBI ay mandato po ito. Trabaho po nila na tugunan ang mga issue patungkol sa korupsyon. Kung hindi naman po siya natatakot sa anumang issue ng korupsyon, hindi naman po siguro siya manggagalaiti.
Malacanang also hit back at Cayetano for blaming President Bongbong Marcos over his stalled bill, promising 10,000 pesos for each Filipino family during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Kaya ng ating budget magbigay. Pero pagkapanalo ni President Marcos, ayaw niya. Pero every single year po, tinatanong ko yon sa aming Chairman of Finance, 2 to 300, minsan 400 billion ang ayuda. So kaya pong bigyan ng 10K. Towards 2023, ako na mismo nagsabi, kailangan pa rin pero kailangan targeted at ang dapat unahin, syempre may sakit kasi yun talaga may kailangan.
Itong mga kahinaan ni Senator Alan Cayetano, kabagalan, at hindi at walang kakayanan sa pagtupad sa kanyang pangako, ay huwag niya pong ipahid sa ibang tao. Akuin niya mismo kung ano ang kanyang kakulangan. Ipinangako niya po itong 10K kada pamilya. Hindi na nga po umusad nung siya ay miyembro ng Kongreso. Pero ginawa pa po niya to na pangako sa kanyang pangangampanya.
For his part, now Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon said he is ready to be probed. He used to head the Bases Conversion and Development Authority, or BCDA, which housed the facility built for the SEA Games 7 years ago.
Magkakasang loob natin at talagang napakaganda ng mga facilities na yon. Nakita nyo naman, no? Nagbigay yan ng pride sa atin nung SEA Games noong 2019. Pati mga dayuhan, pati mga taga Singapore, pinupuri yan.
Kapatid Amy Atienza, PR1 News.